nights are quiet where I stand. Your voice still feels like holding hands. Different roads, different skies, but your name is always on my mind. Every message, every sign pulls your heart closer to mine. This is love across the miles, through the distance, through the trials, even far, you make me smile. I feel you close all the while. Yeah, this is love across the miles. Across the miles. Time zones fade when I see your face. Every word puts me back in your space. We don't need the same sunrise to feel the warmth in each other's eyes. Every moment we survive makes this love feel more alive. This is love across the miles, through the distance, through the trials, even far, you make me smile. I feel you close all the while. Yeah, this is love across the miles. Till then I'll hold you right here. In every promise, every vow, we're closer than distance now. This is love across the miles, still forever, still worthwhile. No matter when, no matter how, I choose you then, I choose you now. Across the miles. Across the miles. Across the miles. You're still mine. City lights outside my window glow. Different places, but you're all I know. Screens and signals fill the space, but I